What is the difference between NEMA 1450 and 654 EV charging? Imagine plugging in your electric vehicle at home and wondering if your outlet is the best choice. Today, we're going to clarify the differences between two popular outlets used for charging electric cars. Both outlets are designed for high power, but they have some key differences that can influence your decision. Both NEMA 1450 and NEMA 650 outlets supply about 140 volts and 50 amps, which means they can deliver roughly 9.6 kilowatts of power. That's enough to charge most electric vehicles in about 6 hours, giving you around 30 to 38 miles of range per hour of charging. When paired with the right charger, both outlets provide the same charging speed and performance. The main difference is in their physical design and wiring. The NEMA 1450 has 4 prongs, 2 hot wires, 1 neutral wire, and 1 ground wire. The neutral wire allows it to supply both to 140 volts and 120 volts, making it versatile for different uses. You often see this outlet in RV parks or mobile homes because it can power both high-voltage appliances and standard household devices. On the other hand, the NEMA 650 has only 3 prongs, 2 hot wires and 1 ground wire. It does not have a neutral wire, so it only supplies to 140 volts. This makes it simpler and sometimes less expensive to install, especially if you do not need 120 volts. You might find this outlet in industrial settings or garages where equipment like welders are used. For home electric vehicle charging, the neutral wire in the NEMA 1450 is not necessary. Both outlets will charge your car equally well if you have the right charger. The choice often depends on what wiring is already in place and what future uses you might have for the outlet. Most home charging setups prefer the NEMA 1450 because it is more common and flexible. It can handle a wider range of electrical needs. The NEMA 650 can be a good choice if you want to keep costs down and only need a simple, high-power outlet for charging your electric vehicle. To sum up, both outlets deliver the same charging power and speed. The NEMA 1450 includes a neutral wire, making it more adaptable for different electrical needs. The NEMA 650 is simpler and often cheaper to install, especially if you only need a straightforward high-voltage connection. For most home charging needs, the NEMA 1450 remains the standard choice, but the 650 can be useful in specific situations where simplicity and cost matter most.